Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Invoices plugin and Invoices module from RedmineUP. Okay, so currently we are into the Invoices project. So yeah, you have to just go to the settings of the project and then scroll down, and here you see the modules, and you have to enable the invoices and save the changes. But before that, I would like to let you know that you have to install and enable the contacts plugin first, because the contacts are needed and required for the invoices to be able to run. The light free version of contacts is enough for this purpose. However, if you would like the pro version, you're free to purchase the license. Yeah, it is up to you which option to choose. So if we go to our site, that is redmineup.com, and go to the uh, help and support and invoices, installation of invoices, you will see that the first step is stating install CRM plugin. CRM and contacts is absolutely the same thing. So you have to just click here, and you will see the download, and here it is. The free light version of contacts plugin is just enough for this purpose. Okay, so after you have already installed and enabled the contacts plugin, uh, here it is, you need to enable the invoices module as well. So just want to show you which are going to be the changes afterwards. So I'm going to open the tab once again here. Yeah, just this thing in a new tab. So I'll return back to the settings and the invoices here. So I save the changes, and now I got invoices enabled. So you see the page here that we have opened. When I refresh the page, I will see the changes now. So invoices will come here onto the tabs, as well as into the configurations. There are going to be invoices and invoices templates. Okay, so I just enter Control and R to refresh and see that here it is, invoices on the tab and invoices templates in the configuration. So there are separate articles on our site and separate video demonstrations about these things, how to be configured, as well as the invoices tab. Here are the invoices itself. So here is the list of invoices that we got on our demo server. So yeah, there are a lot of articles as well on this matter about um, invoices, how to use them, how to create them, how to delete them, and so on. All the information is on our site. Um, yeah, so this is it. And we have now invoices module enabled and activated on our Redmine, so we're able to start using it. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good and helpful for you. And if you like other videos and articles, you could check on our site redmineup.com, as well as our YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos there, so please feel free to share, like them, comment them. And if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers are going to help you on every point that you have in your mind. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now, and see you soon.